If Pixlr is giving you an authentication error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This problem is usually caused by browser settings, blocked cookies, damaged cache data, or an extension conflict, and the good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes. So if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more quick software fixes, and let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is isolate the login session. Open an incognito window or a private browsing window in your browser. This is one of the fastest ways to check whether the issue is coming from your normal browser profile. Once the private window is open, go directly to the official Pixlr website and try logging in again using your normal method. If Pixlr works perfectly in incognito mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions, saved cookies, or privacy settings in your main browser is causing the conflict. Next, you want to configure your cookie settings. Open your browser settings page and look for the section called Privacy and Security. Inside that menu, make sure third-party cookies are turned on. This is really important because many web apps, including login systems and embedded authentication services, rely on cookies to keep your session active. If third-party cookies are blocked, Pixlr may not be able to verify your login properly, which can trigger that authentication error again and again. If that still does not fix it, the next step is to clear any damaged token cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to All Time so you remove everything that could be interfering. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the most common items that store outdated login tokens or broken session files. After that, click Clear Data and then reload the page. Once the browser refreshes, try logging into Pixlr again. In many cases, this alone solves the problem because it forces the site to create a fresh authentication session. Now let's move on to browser extensions. Open your extensions manager page and temporarily turn off all active ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy tools. These extensions are useful for regular browsing, but they can accidentally interfere with login pop-ups, redirects, and embedded sign-in windows. Also disable any automated third-party privacy shields or tracking protection tools that might be blocking authentication requests behind the scenes. Once everything is turned off, refresh the Pixlr editor and test the connection again. If the error disappears, you found the cause and you can re-enable your extensions one by one later to find the exact one creating the issue. The final step is to verify your external authorization. If you are logging in through Google, Apple, or Facebook, make sure that specific account is active and properly signed in. Sometimes the problem is not Pixlr itself, but the external provider session that has expired or become out of sync. A simple fix is to log out of that provider account in another tab, then log back into it to refresh the authentication link. After that, return to the Pixlr web app and click the same login button again. This re-establishes the connection and often clears the authentication error immediately. So to quickly recap, if Pixlr is showing an authentication error, first test in incognito mode, then enable third-party cookies, clear your cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, and finally refresh your Google, Apple, or Facebook login session. One of these fixes will usually get you back into the editor without any further trouble. If this video helped, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more easy software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Pixlr issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.